We back in the day, we talking about cell phones. Everybody has one, and you don't know how it works. You don't have a clue. This is a map of America. All right. If you're in North Carolina and you make a cell phone call to somebody in California, right? That's 2,647 miles apart. The speed of sound is 767 miles an hour. So in 1 hour, sound can travel 767 miles in an hour. Speed of sound. So how in the hell, somebody please, how in the hell can you be in North Carolina, listen closely, talking to somebody in the room with you in North Carolina, in the house with you, and they hear you the same time as the person who you're talking to on the cell phone in California? If sound can only travel 767 miles in an hour, and California is 2,600 miles away from it. Do the math. It should have took 3 hours for that to. Y'all know how miles per hour work, right? Do y'all know how miles per hour work? If they say, hey, Jimmy's going 70 miles an hour, how far did Jimmy go in 1 hour? 70. He went 70 miles in that hour. That's what they say. You're doing 10 miles per hour. In that hour, you went 10 miles. So sound in that hour went 767 miles. How the hell did you hear him instantaneously in California? What is the device doing where it's bypassing the speed of sound completely? It's detouring through the speed of sound, and we're all using the phone like we know what the hell is going on. We don't. It's fucking magic. Cell phones are magic. You talking to somebody in California from North Carolina instantaneously, people in the room with you, all y'all having a conversation. You can put it on speakerphone, and everybody in California can just talk to people in North Carolina instantaneously, just completely bypassing the speed of sound. And we all just like, makes sense. It hits the satellite at 767 miles an hour. That's the fastest thing. What are you talking about? You don't know what's happening. We don't know what's happening. But we choose to act like we do. I'm tired of talking to y'all. I'm out.